Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Located along the South Thompson River, the neighborhood of Valleyview is one of the eastern gateways into Kamloops. With its mix of residential areas, local businesses, and riverfront views, Valleyview reflects both the natural beauty of the region and the steady growth of the city over time. Its position along a major transportation corridor has made it an important part of Kamloops' expansion, linking the community to surrounding regions across British Columbia. Valleyview developed gradually throughout the 20th century, evolving from a more rural and industrial area into a well-established residential neighborhood. Its location along the Trans-Canada Highway has played a key role in shaping its character, bringing both accessibility and economic activity. Over time, the area has grown to include schools, parks, and local services, making it a self-contained and convenient place to live. The natural setting of Valleyview is defined by the South Thompson River and the surrounding hills, which feature the dry grasslands typical of British Columbia's interior. The climate is known for its warm summers and relatively mild winters, encouraging outdoor activities throughout much of the year. Walking paths, riverside views, and nearby trails all contribute to the neighborhood's connection to the landscape. Long before modern development, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Secwepemc people, who have lived in the region for thousands of years. The surrounding hills and valleys provided hunting grounds and travel routes, while the nearby rivers supported fishing and trade. The arrival of European fur traders in the early 19th century, including those working for the Hudson's Bay Company, marked the beginning of major changes to the region's way of life. Kamloops itself began to take shape in the early 1800s as a trading post and transportation hub thanks to its strategic location at the confluence of the North and South Thompson Rivers. By the late 1800s, the expansion of the Canadian Pacific Railway transformed the area into a key link between the coast and the interior. This period of growth laid the foundation for the city that would eventually expand into surrounding hillsides. Thank you for joining us on the drive in Kamloops, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!